little fox. Everyone was at the grocery store. Dad pushed the shopping cart. Mom read the shopping list.
We need fruit,
said Mom. Harry put apples into a bag. Emmy grabbed a bunch of bananas.
We also need vegetables,
said Mom. I don't like vegetables, said Oliver. Mom got broccoli and carrots. They went down another aisle. Harry put cookies into the cart.
Cookies are junk food,
said Mom. Mom took the cookies out of the cart. Emmy put a bottle of soda into the cart. Mom put the soda back on the shelf.
We're not buying soda,
said Mom. Oliver tried to sneak candy into the cart. Mom saw him do it.
No, Oliver,
she said.
Candy is not good for you.
Mom sighed and then looked at the kids.
Stop putting junk food in the cart,
she said. Soon the shopping was done. Dad pushed the cart into the checkout. Everyone put the food on the counter. Mom found potato chips in the cart. She scowled.
Who put the chips in here?
I didn't do it,
said Harry. Emmy shrugged and looked at Oliver. It wasn't me, said Oliver. Mom looked at Dad. Dad smiled and shrugged.
I'll put them back,
he said.
It's a good day for painting,
said Mom.
The kitchen needs some fresh paint.
Mom got some paint from the basement. She found a paint roller in a tray. She put a plastic sheet on the floor. Then she started painting the kitchen. Harry and Oliver ran in with a football.
Don't throw that in here,
warned Mom. But the boys didn't listen.
Catch, Oliver!
Yelled Harry. The football hit the wall. Splat! Paint went everywhere.
Oh no!
Cried Mom. Mom cleaned up the paint. Then she started painting again. Aunt Judy came home from shopping.
Watch out!
Called Mom. but it was too late. Aunt Judy bumped into the wet paint.
My new sweater,
said Aunt Judy. Mom started painting again. Emmy and Rover came into the kitchen.
Sit, Rover,
said Emmy. But Rover didn't sit. Rover barked and ran toward Mom.
No, Rover!
Yelled Mom. Rover bumped into the paint tray. Paint spilled all over the sheet. Mom sat down and sighed.
Oh.
Then she washed the paint roller. She put the lid on the paint can. Mom put everything back in the basement.
Oh. It's not a good day for painting,
said Mom.
It's a good day for resting.
who threw this juice bottle in the trash?
Mom asked.
We can recycle plastic. I did that,
Oliver said. He rinsed the juice bottle. Then he put it in the recycling bin in the garage.
Who left this newspaper in the trash?
Mom asked.
We can recycle newspaper.
I did that.
Dad said. He put the newspaper in the recycling bin.
Who left this dog food can in the trash?
Mom asked.
Rover?
Harry said. Mom frowned.
I don't think so. Who's in charge of feeding the dog this week?
I am.
Harry looked down.
I was too lazy to rinse the can and recycle it.
We need to do a better job of recycling,
Emmy said.
That's right,
Mom said.
Let's make a list of things we can recycle.
The Carters started a list.
Glass bottles,
Oliver said.
Magazines?
Dad said.
Cardboard and paper?
Harry said. After a while, Mom noticed that someone was missing.
Where's Emmy?
I think she went outside.
Oliver said. The Carters went outside. They found Emmy scooping dirt into a pair of boots.
I'm recycling too,
Emmy said.
I'm turning my old boots into flower pots.
The kids went up to the attic. It was very dark and dusty. They saw things to play with.
Old books.
Emmy said.
Old toys!
Harry said. Oliver looked around.
There's a ghost in the corner,
He said.
There's no such thing as ghosts.
Harry said.
You imagined it.
Emmy said. Thump,
I did not imagine it.
Oliver said.
It was just the wind.
Harry said.
get some flashlights.
Emmy said. The kids went back to the attic with flashlights. Harry walked toward the old toys. He gasped.
One is missing.
Thump!
That was not the wind.
Oliver said. Emmy looked at the old books.
A book is missing too.
She said.
This attic is haunted.
Oliver said. Emmy shined her flashlight.
I see some hair.
She said.
Ghosts don't have hair.
Harry shined his flashlight.
I see paw prints in the dust. Ghosts don't have paws.
Oliver took a deep breath. He stepped toward the corner. Something was there. It was...
Rover!
Oliver cried. Rover was chewing on the toy. The book lay nearby. The kids laughed.
Rover followed us up here.
Said Emmy. Oliver patted the dog.
Rover likes the attic too. Where's Mom?
Oliver asked.
Mom's working late.
Harry said.
She's busy this week.
Let's help her.
Oliver said.
We can do the laundry.
Emmy said.
That will be a nice surprise.
The kids brought their dirty clothes to the laundry room.
Make 2 piles on the floor.
Emmy said.
1 for dark clothes and 1 for light clothes.
Rover ran through both piles.
Dogs can't help with the laundry.
Harry said. He took Rover outside. Emmy put the dark clothes in the washer. She put in some soap, too. Then Oliver pressed start. After a while, it was time to dry the clothes. Harry took the clothes from the washer. Oliver put them in the dryer. Emmy put the next load in the washer. At last, all the laundry was done.
Now we fold our clothes
Emmy said.
and put everything away in our rooms.
Doing laundry is so much work.
Harry said.
I'm glad Mom does it for us.
Oliver said. Mom came home from work. The kids showed her their clean clothes.
You did a wonderful job.
Mom said. She smiled happily.
Now you can do your laundry every week.
The boys groaned.
We wanted to surprise Mom,
Emmy said.
but she surprised us.